What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel and take a look. It's like a little miracle. Some Matchbox mainlines in single packs showed up at a store in my area. I mentioned this many times this year. It's nearly impossible to find these mainlines in single packs this year. No idea what the distribution problem is, but yeah, I'm pretty happy that I found some. The thing is, it's kind of a wild mix. First, I thought it was only KKs, but I think there are some models from the HKs, and this guy here I think is from way earlier this year. So I don't know how this mix came together, but whatever, that's what I got, and I'm pretty happy because there is some really cool stuff, and I would say let's get started with this guy here. This is a new casting, a 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTE in a fantastic color, in my opinion. And yeah, let's crack this guy here open. I think this is definitely comes with this protection piece, by the way. This is definitely one of the best Matchbox models from this year. And yeah, I have to say this is really cool. I like the livery. Some like a purple metallic livery, and we get some really crisp details here on the front. Take a look. Also, this blue GTE line above the headlights. We got crisp Volkswagen logo, Matchbox license plate, and yeah, back also looking very good. Here we get a Golf license plate, and yeah, very crisp, really nice. So this is definitely one of the highlights from this year. I think they nailed it. Love the color, love the casting, really nice. I also think the wheel choice is okay. Really cool. Now I would say let's go on with definitely another highlight. This is a model I've been looking for a while now. It showed up. By the way, I don't know why, but as you can see on the Golf, these logos saying that it's a new casting for this year are different. No idea why, but anyway, let's open up our Porsche 911 for Targa. Yeah, there we go. This one is also really cool. Look at, I mean, the livery is pretty nice, blue metallic, and once again, some really crisp details. Targa license plate, and yeah, all that stuff here on the back, pretty well done. Front looks good. Some headlight details. I think the rims are a pretty good choice for this guy. Yeah, another highlight, and yeah, pretty happy that I found this one. Really cool. Okay, then I would say we go on with some Indiana Jones stuff. The Matchbox Tangiers TukTuk. Yeah, as you can see, comes with another packaging. Oops. Okay, there we go. Yeah, once again, this is something I guess a little bit controversial. Not everybody will like stuff like this. Once again, I think that it's cool that Matchbox is doing something like that, or maybe the Citroën Ami and all that stuff. Of course, this is a lot of plastic. We get mint metal base, and yeah, you can take off. Oops. The roof comes off pretty Pretty easy. As you can see, I put some rust details here on this thing. Yeah. Nice. And I would say we go on with the other Indiana Jones model that I found, the Indiana Jones themed Ducati Scrambler, also new. Okay. As you can see, this is something I've never seen before. It's also got plastic on the back. Oof. There we go. As you can see, pretty tough to get out of this packaging. Guess doesn't stand on its own. Yeah, that's I think a little bummer. So let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, there's a lot of metal on this bike. It's yeah, relatively heavy. So all the stuff that you can see here is metal, except the wheels and this steering thing. We also get some details on the back, license plate, and also Ducati lettering on the seat. No details on the front. Yeah, not a huge motorcycle fan, whatever. We go on with the 2019 McLaren 720S Spider in also a really cool purple livery. There we go. Yeah, I think the color from our Volkswagen Golf is a little bit better, but this one's also pretty nice. I like the black 5 spokes. Some crisp headlight details and some details on the back. I mean, we've seen this casting a few times before, and yeah, it always comes with these colors that are the right choice for such an exotic sports car. But then another one of my favorite Matchbox castings, the 1984 Toyota MR2. As you might know, this casting normally does come in 4 versions. It comes with headlights down, that's what we have here. It was the only one that there was left, by the way. Headlights up, and then we got left-hand drive, which is this, and right-hand drive. And I don't think I will go for all 4 versions in this color. I have all 4 versions from the debut version in white, and yeah, it's pretty hard to find all of them. Anyways, this is a really nice color. I would say it's like maybe champagne, call this. I don't know. But it looks really good. Toyota lettering on the front. We get some details on the back, a huge MR2 license plate. Yeah. Really nice casting, nice color. That's all there is. Into the parking lot it goes. Our next one is the recolor for the 1980 AMC Eagle with the wood paneling on the side. Yeah. Yeah, this thing has some 80s vibes to it, definitely. I mean, here in Germany, we know such a car only from movies. I guess this wood paneling wasn't really popular here. I mean, the front looks a little bit, yeah, plain, but yeah, that's how it is. Some details on the side. It's also a nice casting. I mean, some details here on the front are definitely missing. But yeah, can't have it all. Side looks really good. Some interesting wheels. Nice. Okay, the next one, I wasn't really sure. I'm not 100% sure if I don't already have this one, but whatever. The Ford Police Interceptor with red tinted windows and the push bar on the front. Fire rescue. I think it looks kind of cool. Guess many won't like this extremely red tinted windows, but yeah. I mean, you could think that does look a little bit like national parks, but it's not. I mean, once again, I think always, I mean, they're doing this with the side deco, but it's definitely missing something on the front and on the back. But it has a red light bar when they do red tinted windows, so yeah, I think it's kind of neat. Next one. The 2021 Cadillac CT5-V in blue. Not really sure how many times we've seen this guy before. I think there was a black version, that's all I can remember. We get a very dark blue livery, some details on the back and on the front. Wheels in gunmetal gray. Nice. Okay, what else do we have? The Mercedes CLA shooting brake. Once again, I think we've seen this in black before. Now in red. This thing is pretty interesting, especially the wheels. I think are kind of cool. Because, you know, Mercedes has decided to, yeah, go into the direction of luxury cars. So I guess you won't see these, let's say, smaller cars in the future. So it's cool to have something like that. So it comes with crisp headlight details and a nice, pretty nice grille. Really, really cool. Nice back. The color itself, not my cup of tea. I think wouldn't buy a car in this color. Anyways, two models left to recolor for the 95 Nissan Hardbody. So, yeah, as you can see, this one comes with a trailer hitch. And I think it's the model we saw, I think 2 years ago or something, came in a livery with, you know, the matching trailer with the same livery. That was pretty nice. Yeah. Well, silver Nissan Hardbody with a little bit of deco on the side. Nice. And our last one is this guy here, the Toyota Hilux pickup. I think I have two more versions, I think in white or off-white. And I think the first version was in red. Yeah, pretty crisp details on the back and on the front. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I'm really, really glad that I found some missing Matchbox mainlines, but as I mentioned, it seems like they skipped some cases, and I hope I will find the missing ones this year. Okay, as always, trying to pick a favorite, and I would say this time it's pretty easy. It's between the Porsche and the Golf, but yeah, my favorite is definitely this one. And yeah, nice livery, nice details, really, really cool. And there you have it, my unboxing of some Matchbox mainlines from 2024. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.